The TST 1500W electric dirt bike boasts a powerful motor that reaches speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it suitable for both mountain terrains and city commuting. With its 48-volt, 15-ampere-hour removable battery, this electric bike offers an impressive range of up to 60 miles, ensuring long rides are both feasible and enjoyable. Equipped with a robust suspension system and 20-inch puncture-proof tires, this bike guarantees a smooth and stable ride, even on rough paths. Safety is prioritized with high-brightness front and rear lights, alongside mechanical disc brakes that provide strong and reliable stopping power. The bike's versatility is enhanced by a 7-speed gear system and 3 working modes, allowing customization for various terrains and riding preferences. Easily assembled, the bike comes mostly pre-assembled with reliable support, ensuring a hassle-free setup and peace of mind with a 180-day warranty.